Welcome to Mathenatic. We are busy revising financial mathematics for grade 12, paper 1. 1,000 Rand is deposited into a bank account. 1 month later, a further 1,000 Rand is paid into the account monthly for a period of 8 years. The interest rate is 6% per annum compounded monthly. How much is saved within 8 years? So this is our first example on the Future Value Annuity. And this formula you can find on your formula sheet. The biggest issue with these types of questions is finding the amount of payments. So 1,000 Rand is deposited into the account. So that's our first payment. And then a further 1,000 Rand is paid into the account monthly for a period of 8 years. So 12 times 8, that is 96. But we still need to remember of our first payment that we made initially. So in total, we have 97 payments. Then I already did the substitution here, but you can find this formula on your formula sheet. The X value is the payments, so that is 1,000 Rand. The I value is 6% compounded monthly. That is why we have 0.06 divided by 12. And remember, you have an I value in the numerator and in the denominator. And then we place this all in the correct brackets. One of the biggest mistakes I see students make is they forget to enclose those brackets, and then this -1 is standing by itself, and then they get a wrong answer. So practice using your calculator when entering in this information to get to your final answer. So once you have done all the substitution on paper, you can plug it into your calculator and you'll find the final answer is 124,442 Rand and 68 cents. Thank you for watching. Support us by liking and subscribing to Mathenatic. Check out our Digistore for math study notes, with free downloads for statistics and financial math. Follow the link in the video description.